Hello everyone. In this video, I will brief you about IS5213 Week 2 R Programming activity. As a part of initial activity, you are supposed to complete all the essential training activities. Then you should work on the practice exercise that is given in Word document. All the steps, step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, and step 5 has to be finished and the documents has to be submitted following the instructions. Okay, so three files like the way we did in the last week, we will be sharing all the three files. Okay, so first of all, I have divided the activities into two parts. First one is some basics regarding the R language will be taught in these four videos. So just follow the simple mathematics and the simple arrays will be taught in these videos. So try to understand them. You can watch multiple times, you try multiple times, but make sure you understand the concept. Okay. So after completing these activities, start with these five elements. So these five videos are very much exactly matching with our requirement. In these videos, we will be working on all the concepts that will be covered in practice exercise Word document, but all the activities will be done on insurance data set where we will be working on HMEQ data set. Okay. So, I guess you people know what is data set. It's like some sort of data that is given on which we will be performing statistical analysis or data visualizations. All right. So, as a part of these five videos, what we will be doing, we will be doing scrubbing activity, imputation, and on hot encoding. These three are the key elements that we will be performing in this week. We try to understand these three elements. Okay. So, what happens is like when we have a textual kind of content, textual like we will be having two different type of variables. One is the categorical variable, another one is numerical variables. When we have categorical variables, we are supposed to convert them into imputations. So that will be taught here. How to handle data, that information will be taught in these five videos. Simply follow these videos. Step by step, you try to understand and perform all the activities. Try to generate result as it was taught in the video. So for completing these activities, you will be using this insurance data set, download it and extract a CSV file from that, and you can work on that. Right. For performing activities on this data, you need HMEQ loss data. Okay. So what happens is when you open this one, it consists of different files. In that, you use this HMEQ loss data. Okay. These files consists of this kind of elements. So just follow which data set is used in these videos. Okay. So, and finally, this folder consists of the code that was generated by the person who is working on this scrubbing activity. Okay. So in these videos, whatever the kind code that is created, that will be presented in this folder, but ignore this and you don't need to use that because you will be working on all the videos and you will be generating that code anyhow. Okay. So as you will be having a code, already existing, you don't need this one. Okay, if you have any questions or any doubts, then you can download and open, you can cross check. All right. So simply like see, when you compare to last week document, here most of the elements are same. Okay. So the first one is read data into R. Which data? HMAQ data. So by completing this data frames or reading data into R, this video, by completing this video, you can understand how to do this activity. Okay. So just simply use the same formula and extract HMEQ loss CSV file into some sort of data frame and list that str of whatever the data frame that you have created that will generate structure, execute summary, and print six records. This is head. This is summary of describe or summary of like whatever the file name, whatever the data frame that is given. By using those codes, it will be done. Okay. Give proper comment to each line you write. Right. So next, box whisker plots. This is the same file, same style of working you did in the last week. So make sure you select some sort of uh, attribute from HMEQ class and perform activity, apply some color and properly address all the problems. Then histogram is also seen. After that, we are supposed to fix imputations. You try to work on these things by following the videos that are given here: scrubbing, imputation, complex data imputation, and one hard encoding. When you perform step-by-step activities of the videos that are given here, you will understand it. See, one more advice: when you are watching these videos, okay, sometimes the quality of the video can be low. So what I want to do is you ensure that the video quality is high. Okay, in this, whatever the quality that is high, just keep that one high. Then it is possible to see the code that is presented in the document clearly. Otherwise, what happens is it will be blurred. See, for example, see, if the quality of video is 144. What happens is you cannot see the content. To ensure that the quality of the video is higher. Okay, then you can see the values. All right. So this is how you can do. You can perform on all the activities and you will understand clearly what to be done. Just simply listen. If you can't go with the speed of the video, so here you can also reduce the speed of the video. Both the things you can do, you can increase the speed of the video or you can reduce the speed of the video. So for example, here, okay, here only in the settings you can see speed of the video, playback speed. So this is normal. High speed, this is you can reduce speed to 0.75. It will be slower. Okay. You can also reduce zero point 0.5. It will be very slow. So based on your understanding, how what way you can understand based on the set your wall speed. My suggestion is go for 0.75. It helps you to understand the code more efficient. All right. So this is all from my side. See, whatever the questions that are given in the Word document, for all those questions, these videos provide solutions. Only difference is in these videos, the analysis part is done using insurance data. We are supposed to complete it by using HMEQ data. That is the only difference. All right. Make sure you work on them. Try to complete everything. Wherever you have some kind of question, we can have 1 or 2 hour session tomorrow and we can finish it. Okay, good team. Happy working. Try to fix that one properly. All the best.